We're gonna go get a swarm of bees down here in our orchard. Pretty big one. So let's get suited up for that. All right. Shake it in now. All right, got them in there. Let them kind of get used to it a little bit. Imagine the queen's in there. It's a guess. On it, so they'll utilize only one way of getting in, and they'll go through the front here, get in, and as they make their way into this hive, what I'll do is I'll come in and put the rest of the frames in, very gently of course, and see what we've got in about 30 minutes. Frames in here now. The bees are kind of settling down a little bit. Let's see how angry they are when I take this off. Hey, not too bad. They're kind of hanging tough on this top piece right here, but put some more frames in here. Yeah, there you go. That's a lot of bees. Look at that. Hanging on this top lid. Okay. Let's see how this does. Get some of those bees out of the way there. I don't want to use smoke on these guys. Professional beekeeper here can't even put the frames in right, but I'm so far away from being professional, I don't even use the word. This is amateur beekeeping at its best and its worst. All right, these fellas all situated in here, happy for girls, I should say. That's an interesting thing. You might not know it, but all these bees are girls. Yeah, that's what's amazing. This is a excluder here, queen excluder. What this does is this forces all the workers to stay down inside there All right. Now we got them situated. We're gonna let this hive sit here overnight and kill that red wasp right there. We don't like red wasps at all, and they don't like us. All right, this is Parson's Manor Beekeeping 101. Probably 10 things you shouldn't do and a couple of things you should, but found this swarm on a pear tree today and wanted to catch all these bees that we could. So let's see how they do tomorrow. We'll be back. Thought we'd do a close-up here of these fellas or girls getting in here into the hive. You can kind of watch what they do. Trying to make this place home. I hope they do.